Welcome to Nafplio, Greece's most charming coastal town. Nestled between ancient history and stunning natural beauty, this picturesque destination has it all. In today's video, we're counting down the 7 best things you absolutely must experience when visiting Nafplio, from exploring centuries-old fortresses to wandering its vibrant streets filled with culture and charm. Let's dive into the top spots that make Nafplio a perfect getaway. Number 7. Nafplio Bourtzi Fortress. One of Nafplio's most iconic landmarks is the small island of Bourtzi, home to an impressive fortress that still carries its Turkish name, meaning the Tower. This historic site draws visitors year-round. Built in 1471 by architect Antonio Gambello and completed by engineer Brancaleone, the fortress was designed to fit the narrow shape of the tiny islet just off the port of Nafplio. The Venetians fortified the entire city in 1473, mainly to defend against pirate attacks. With entrances to the north and south, the castle features 3 floors, connected by movable stairs. On the northeast side, a small harbor provided safe access to the fortress, while the Turks added a clever defense, a barricade of stones beneath the sea, making it impossible for large ships to approach. Number 6. Palamidi Fortress. Rising high above Nafplio, Palamidi Fortress is one of the town's most impressive sights. Built by the Venetians between 1711 and 1714 to bolster the city's defenses, its strategic position gave it a commanding view of the entire bay and surrounding landscape, making it almost impossible to breach. But in the early 18th century, the Turks captured the fortress during their conquest of the Peloponnese. Over the years, Palamidi has served many purposes, including as a prison. One of its most famous prisoners was Theodoros Kolokotronis, a key leader of the Greek War of Independence. His time here left a lasting mark on Greek history. Today, visitors can explore the fortress's well-preserved bastions and enjoy breathtaking views over Nafplio and the beautiful Argolic Gulf. Number 5. Acronaflia Fortress. Perched on the rocky peninsula of Acronaflia, this fortress holds the distinction of being the oldest castle in Nafplio, with origins dating all the way back to the Bronze Age. Its ancient walls tell a story of centuries of defense, having been ruled by various civilizations like the Byzantines, Franks, Venetians, and Ottomans, all of whom left their mark on the fortress's architecture. From 1936 to 1956, Acronaflia was transformed into a Greek political prison, holding prisoners, including political dissidents and rebels, during difficult times in the country's history. It became a symbol of resistance and struggle, shifting from a military stronghold to a place of confinement. Today, you can easily reach the fortress by taking a lift at Palamidi Square on the western edge of town. Once at the top, Acronaflia rewards visitors with stunning views of Nafplio and the surrounding sea, making it a must-see for both history buffs and those seeking incredible landscapes. Number 4. Nafplio Syntagma Square. Right in the heart of Nafplio's Old Town lies Syntagma Square, the city's most historically significant square. In the 19th century, it was known as Platanos Square, named after a plane tree that once stood at its center. Legend has it that during the Turkish occupation around 1540, Mora Pasha, the Turkish commander of the Peloponnese, had his seraglio here. Surrounding the square are some of Nafplio's most important historical landmarks, including the Archaeological Museum, the former mosque of Aga Pasha, the old Greek Parliament building, and the Trianon Old School. Syntagma Square is truly a place where the rich history of Nafplio comes alive. Number 3. Tolo Beach, also known as Sili Amos, boasts a long stretch of sandy shoreline and crystal clear waters, making it an ideal spot for swimming and sunbathing. The beach is perfect for adventure seekers, offering a variety of exciting water sports such as surfing, jet skiing, paddle boating, and canoeing. If you're looking to relax, there are plenty of lounges, sunbeds, and umbrellas available for a comfortable day in the sun. Beyond the beach, Tolo is an excellent base for exploring nearby historical attractions. A short drive away, you can visit the ancient city of Mycenae, famous for its archaeological ruins, or the ancient theater of Epidaurus, known for its remarkable acoustics. Tolo Beach is the perfect blend of seaside fun and cultural exploration, making it a must-visit destination in the area. Number 2. Visit the UNESCO archaeological site of Tiryns. Just 8 kilometers from Nafplio, you'll find the World Heritage Site of the Mycenaean Acropolis of Tiryns, a must-see for history enthusiasts. As you explore, you'll be amazed by the Western Bastion, a stunning example of Mycenaean architecture, and the famous Cyclopean walls, massive stone structures that still puzzle experts today. You'll also discover the Lower Acropolis and the ancient geometric temple. According to mythology, it was here that King Eurystheus of Tiryns assigned the legendary 12 labors to the hero Hercules. Many fascinating artifacts uncovered from the site are now displayed in the National Archaeological Museum in Athens and Nafplio's Archaeological Museum. Number 1. Carathona Beach. Carathona Beach is a beautiful, sandy beach with crystal clear waters, making it perfect for swimming and relaxing by the sea. The beach is well organized, with plenty of sunbeds and umbrellas available, ensuring a comfortable sunbathing experience. For those looking for more excitement, there are a variety of beach activities to enjoy, such as jet skiing, parasailing, and paddleboarding. Carathona is also an ideal spot for families or groups wanting to spend the entire day, as it offers a dedicated camping area for a more immersive beach experience. Nearby, you'll find plenty of cafes, bars, and restaurants, offering a wide range of food and drink options to keep you refreshed throughout the day. Whether you're looking for relaxation or adventure, Carathona Beach has something for everyone. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more content like this. Your support means a lot and helps me keep making great videos for you.